Hello, sixth graders. Hey, welcome back to art class. I want to check in on you guys. I've been looking at your first assignment that we did online, and our goal was to draw 3 perfect boxes in 1-point perspective. And that means we had a box on the horizon line, to the right of the vanishing point, one above the horizon line and to the left of the vanishing point, one below and to the left. Now, one thing you want to check when you're doing this is you want to make sure that these lines, the back of your boxes, are parallel with the lines of the boxes. Because today, we're going to show you how to repeat these boxes behind each. So if we look at our learning target for today, students will be able to repeat at least one box behind each of the original boxes. So one box here, and one box here. So let's show you how to do it. Okay, so to start today's assignment, we need to make sure we have the right supplies. So if we think about how we did this on Monday or Tuesday, whichever day you chose to do it, we still need to make sure that we have a ruler or a straight edge. You can use a folder or something else if you don't have a ruler. Obviously, you're going to need a pencil, an eraser that could be on the end here if you have your own little eraser, and then whatever you use to color these boxes, okay? So I have my yellow highlighter, my pink highlighter, and my blue highlighter. Now, to repeat these boxes, I'm going to slide that aside and I'm going to focus here with my ruler and pencil. And we're going to start with this box right here. And when we think about how we drew this box, we drew it with 1, 2, 3, 4 lines to draw the front of it. And that's the first 4 lines that we drew when we were drawing this box. Now when we repeat a box, we have to draw those same 4 lines, but somewhere within these 3 lines going down here to the vanishing point. So to help us not get confused, I'm going to number. This is line 1, this is line 2, this is line 3, and this is line 4 that make up the 4 sides of the yellow part of the box. Now, if you remember, we talked about parallel and how important parallel is. So I'm going to line up my ruler with line 1. And I'm going to slide line 1 over here, and I'm going to repeat it parallel in between those 2 corners that are going to the vanishing point, right there. That's line 1. And then I'm going to go with line 2 right here, and I'm going to slide it down again till it meets where I just drew line 1, and I'm going to come over. That's line 2. Then I'm going to go with line 3, line up here, slide over. Line 3 is going to go straight up until it hits the box in front of it. It's going to be overlapped here just a little bit. Now line 4, we're going to line up here, slide down, draw a parallel line. Now that's the front of that box. So if I look here, if I color it, I'm going to color this the yellow part of the box. Just like that. That's the front. Now we still have to draw the side and the bottom, right? The side and the bottom. So same thing here. We're going to line up, slide over, parallel line. Line up, slide over, parallel line. Now we're going to color this side pink, just like this. Same color as this side. And then we're going to color the bottom blue, just like what we did here before. And there's our first repeated box. Now let's show you how to repeat this one again. Now when we number these walls, I like to start with wall 1 and 2, the 2 walls that would be closest to the vanishing point. The 2 that would be furthest away, I'm going to number 3 and 4. Notice up here, 1 and 2 were closest to the vanishing point, and 3 and 4 are furthest away. So let's start with line 1 again. We're going to line up here, slide over, draw a parallel line to line 1. Now we're going to go to line 2. Line up, slide over, parallel to line 2. Line 3, line up, slide over, parallel to line 3, but it's stopping because it's hitting the boxes in here. Line 4, line up, slide over, parallel again, but it's behind all those boxes. Then we take our highlighter and there's the front of that box. Then line up, slide over, parallel. Line up, slide over, parallel. Now we do that for the side of the box that we color pink here, just like that. And then we also did that for the top of the box, which we're going to color blue, just like this. Now, this one you might think might be the trickiest, but let's number it and see. The closest line to the vanishing point is this one, okay, this one here. And then 2 and 3 are the next closest, and 4 is furthest away. So to repeat this, I'm going to line up with line 1, side 1, slide over, and there's wall 1 or side 1. Side 2, side 3. Make sure we're parallel here. Now, something interesting here, side 4 is going to be behind the box. We don't even have to draw it. So that's the front of that next one. Just like this. Then line up, slide over, parallel line. Now on this one, you guys, we're just going to do the pink side. That's what we just did there, the pink side of the wall. Just like so. Now you can continue to repeat if you want to. It's up to you, but you don't have to, okay? I just need one box behind each of the boxes. All right, so we got you to repeat one box behind each box here. If you want to, you can continue repeating all the way back to that vanishing point. If you get done early, you can try some different shapes. On Friday, our lesson is going to be teaching you how to draw any goofy shape, random shape that you can draw with a ruler and make that three-dimensional. But good luck with this. Let me know if you have any troubles. Again, we're going to be uploading these on Google Classroom. Only really if you want me to check it out, make sure you did it right. These are all preparatory things that are going to lead us into a bigger assignment. Our big assignment is going to be drawing a city. And so we need to learn some of the basics here before we can move on to the big drawing of the city. So we're taking baby steps, and so now you've learned how to draw boxes and boxes behind boxes. So good luck, hopefully you had fun with this, and see you on Friday.